Hi, my name is Doug Elenoff. I'm a partner in the New York-based law firm of Elenoff, Grossman & Scholl. We're here today to talk about crowdfunding. We're so excited that the crowdfunding movement is finally available so people who've not been able to raise capital before can finally raise capital and have their ideas come to life. For 20 years, I've worked with entrepreneurs who have been looking to raise money for their various opportunities. And over the last 20 years, unfortunately, raising money has become more difficult. Crowdfunding encompasses many different areas, including donations crowdfunding through Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or Rocket Hub, and private placement when an entrepreneur or a startup company raises money from individuals or small institutional investors. On September 23rd, Title II of the Jobs Act lifted the ban on general solicitation. For 80 years, only institutional investors and friends and family in very small opportunities have been able to invest in startups. As a result of September 23rd, you all can go tweet, Facebook to your heart's content in order to raise money and let as many people know that you're looking to raise money for your opportunity, so long as you only raise money from accredited investors. Generally speaking, an accredited investor is an investor of substantial means. You can think of an accredited investor as somebody who can lose the amount of their investment and it won't change their lifestyle. The wisdom of the Jobs Act is that we are going to align the ability of entrepreneurs to raise capital, investors to invest capital in entrepreneurial activities in ways that we haven't seen in this country in decades. Investors will have an opportunity, either directly from an entrepreneur or through an online environment, a funding platform, to invest in a broad selection of different types of companies in a private placement. And so entrepreneurs all of a sudden find that they no longer have to just go to investment banks to raise money. They have self-help capability of either doing it on their own, through a funding platform, or through a broker-dealer. And a funding platform is a marketplace that matches investors and entrepreneurs. I believe if you go look at these websites and see all the exciting new entrepreneurial opportunities that are available to you, you'll have a better appreciation for the impact of why Title II is important in allowing entrepreneurs to raise money in a more efficient manner. Considerations for an entrepreneur to keep in mind as they conduct a Title II campaign is the benefit is that they can generally solicit investors. The burden that comes with that, however, is you may not have a bad actor background, some sort of criminal prosecution or administrative procedure by the Securities and Exchange Commission. The responsibility to an entrepreneur who avails themselves of the benefits of Title II is that they must take reasonable steps to verify the accredited status of an investor so that you can generally solicit, so long as you're not a bad actor, so long as you ensure that the people who are investing in your deal are actually people of significant means. And after you have closed on your financing, you have to file a Form D 15 days after the first sale of your securities. But that's such a little price to pay in exchange for being able to generally solicit throughout this land. If you're watching this video and you're asking yourself, how do I conduct a Title II general solicitation? The answer is reasonably simple. You can hire a lawyer, you can get in touch with an accountant. Once you have an idea or a business that's looking to raise money, you have to comply with certain what are called disclosure requirements, where you explain what it is that you intend to do with the money that you're raising, how you're going to spend the money that you're raising, and make sure that you actually spend that money consistently with how you say you're going to spend that money. You should describe the risks associated with that investment. And working with a lawyer or an accountant can assist you in figuring out what the risks relating to your business opportunity are. I would also encourage all entrepreneurs who are viewing this to continue to go to CareerFuel to see the latest developments in the industry and to make sure you're abreast of what's going on in order that it may benefit you in your capital formation. We as a law firm decided to commit a lot of time and resources to the crowdfunding movement. We are so excited to see capital marry with entrepreneurs. I have spent the last 18 months working in Washington and working with the crowdfunding campaign to bring you what I believe will be equally momentous in 2014, and that's referred to as Title III, or true crowdfunding, which enables unaccredited investors, people of lesser means, to invest up to $1 million in entrepreneurial activity in an online environment, because we believe that this is good for the country, we think it's good for capital formation for our entrepreneurs, and we believe many jobs will be created that will help average Americans go back to work.